Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best silver cleaning cloth is probably one of the most essential tools for any jewelry lover. Silver jewelry, with its timeless appeal, is prone to tarnishing, and that's where a good cleaning cloth comes in. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of silver cleaning cloths, exploring what makes a great one and how it can keep your precious pieces shiny. Number 5. Pro Size Jewelry Cleaning Cloth, made in USA. Tired of dull jewelry? This cloth is designed to clean, shine, and protect your precious gold, silver, and platinum items. It's easy to use and brings back the original brilliance. This cloth is a tarnish remover that restores shine and prevents future tarnishing. It's safe for your jewelry and provides a protective layer. It's perfect for rings, coins, and other valuables. Made with non-toxic ingredients, this cloth is safe for you and the environment. You can use it with confidence knowing that it's gentle on your health and the planet. The white side cleans and polishes with embedded cleaning agents. The gray side removes residue for a final shine. Both sides are made of ultra-soft cotton. The large size makes it easy to polish various items, from silverware to watches. It's reusable and can last a long time. Just remember, never wash it. This product is proudly made in the USA with high-quality materials. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. Get yours today. What we like? This cloth's pro size is perfect for polishing silverware and large jewelry pieces. It features a two-step system for effective cleaning and shining. If you have a lot of jewelry or silverware to clean, or if you like a cloth that can handle big items, you should consider this one. What people say. My silver pieces were dull and tarnished, but after just a few gentle rubs with the cloth, they looked almost brand new. The cloth is soft and easy to use, with a special polishing compound that lifts tarnish quickly without scratching. These towels worked better than I expected, left my silver ring looking super shiny, like I just picked it up from the jeweler. Number 4. Connoisseurs Silver Jewelry Polishing Cloth. This two-step dry cleaning system polishes silver to a high luster. It removes tarnish and helps prevent further buildup. This cloth is perfect for keeping your jewelry sparkling. First, gently rub your jewelry with the lighter inner cloth to remove dirt and apply an anti-tarnish shield. Then, use the darker outer cloth to buff and polish it to a brilliant finish. These convenient polishing cloths are perfect for at-home or on-the-go use. Keep your jewelry sparkling like new with this easy-to-use product. Choose this one for your silver jewelry. Connoisseurs has everything you need to keep your rings, necklaces, earrings, and bracelets gleaming. From dip, gel, foam, or drop jewelry cleaners to sonic cleaning devices and polishing wipes or cloths, they have it all. Connoisseurs is the world leader in jewelry care. They believe it's an essential part of every woman's beauty routine. That's why their jewelry cleaning products make it easy to take care of your pieces. What we like? This cloth has an anti-tarnish formula to prevent future buildup. It also features an easy two-step process for cleaning and polishing. If you are looking for a convenient and effective way to keep your silver jewelry sparkling, you should consider this one. What people say. Measuring 14 by 14 inches, it provides ample surface area to clean and polish multiple pieces of jewelry at once. The ultra-soft material is gentle yet effective. One side is treated with a special cleaning agent that helps to remove tarnish and restore the shine to gold and silver jewelry. The other side is for buffing and polishing, leaving the jewelry with a high-gloss finish. Number 3. Pro Size Polishing Cloth Set, Shine and Protect. Introducing the Pro Size Polishing Cloth Set. This set includes 2 large cleaning cloths, perfect for all your precious items. This cloth cleans, shines, and protects your gold, silver, and platinum jewelry. It removes tarnish and prevents it from returning, giving your jewelry a lasting shine. Made with non-toxic ingredients, it's safe for you and the environment. The two-step system includes a cleaning cloth and a finishing cloth for ultimate shine. The white cloth cleans with special ingredients, while the gray flannel provides the final shine. Both are made of ultra-soft cotton for gentle cleaning. The large size makes it easy to polish silverware, antiques, and large jewelry pieces. Each cloth is 11 by 14 inches, perfect for handling a lot of valuables. Proudly made in the USA with environmentally friendly ingredients. Try it today and see the difference. We offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. What we like. This product comes with a set of 2 cloths, offering great value. It is made in the USA with safe and environmentally friendly ingredients. If you like having a spare cloth or need to clean a lot of jewelry, you should consider this one. What people say. Sat down over the weekend and polished all my jewelry with this cloth. It worked great. It worked on copper, silver, and gold to get them nice and shiny and get rid of all the tarnish. These are so nice and work so well. Polished up an old silver necklace and it looks brand new. One side is for cleaning off the dirt hole, the other is the polishing cloth. Easy and simple to use. Number 2. YOUBAY Silver Jewelry Cleaning Cloth. Is your favorite jewelry looking a little dull? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. This cloth is designed to bring back the shine. This YOUBAY cleaning cloth is perfect for silver and gold jewelry. It's a simple and effective way to keep your pieces looking their best. The special material gently removes tarnish and grime. It will restore the original luster of your jewelry without any harsh chemicals. Simply rub the cloth over your jewelry. It's that easy. The cloth is soft and won't scratch your delicate pieces. After using the cloth, your jewelry will look polished and protected. It's a great way to maintain the beauty of your precious items. What we like. This cloth is specifically designed to remove tarnish from your jewelry. It is easy to use and suitable for all types of jewelry. If you have tarnished jewelry that needs a quick fix, you should consider this one. What people say. It cleaned my remaining silver pieces so thoroughly they look brand new, and I've saved several items I thought were ruined. Easy, no smell, no expiration date, and the color makes it look like a serious cleaning tool that a butler would use to touch up the family silver. The inside, white, towel cleans and removes tarnish, and the outside, black or gray, towel shines the piece. Number 1. Premium Jewelry Cleaning Cloths for Silver, Gold and Platinum. Is your jewelry looking a little dull? These premium cleaning cloths are the perfect solution. They will restore the shine to your precious metals. This set of 3 cloths is designed for silver, gold, and platinum. It's a safe and effective way to keep your jewelry looking its best. The cloths are gentle enough for delicate pieces, yet powerful enough to remove tarnish and grime. It will make your jewelry sparkle again. Simply wipe your jewelry with the cloth to remove dirt and restore shine. It's a quick and easy way to keep your jewelry looking new. Whether it's a family heirloom or a new purchase, these cloths are a must-have. It will keep all your jewelry looking its best. What we like. This set includes 3 premium quality cloths for cleaning gold, silver, and platinum jewelry. They are designed to provide the best polishing solution. If you like having multiple cloths for different needs, you should consider this one. What people say. The size of each cloth is perfect for cleaning jewelry from watches to rings to necklaces, and does an outstanding job. We could not believe how much stuff the cloth was taking off even after an ultrasonic cleaning. It looks like a new ring again, and he is thrilled. Silverware comes out very clean, they are very easy to use. They actually gave my 9-year-old daughter to use them and the silverware came out sparkling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.